Hey, my name is Bator from Hungary. I live the life fully. I'm a backpacker. Yeah guys, it's a new day, 22nd of April, and I'm in the marina again. Yesterday we had some fun with Kevin, went to the sailor bay, upload some videos after the whole long day sailing. Today is the owner of this restaurant has a birthday, so he invited everyone for champagne. And today I'm gonna check out the dinghy, but it looks huge. What? I guess it's a bit big for my boat. We're gonna check out the sails with Kevin. Maybe he's gonna help me to fix it. I'm gonna buy a GoPro today so I can make again some action movies. He's gonna sell me the GoPro, second-hand one. I just ended up in Media Mart. Need to buy some stuff for the cameras. When I was 15 or 16, I saw a guy who did sailing around the world with a really small boat, and I thought like, wow, that's a cool stuff. I want to do that. I took a flight from Budapest to Norway in June. I wanted to leave Norway, and the end of the summer the boat was kinda ready. This is life! I met with the German girl, and then we decided like, okay, let's go to Amsterdam and then see what's gonna happen. I knew like it's really risky to cross the North Sea when it's like in September, and that night was kinda like a storm catched us. The autopilot broke down, and the first 2 nights was really rough, and we couldn't really keep the course to Amsterdam, but we were like close to Denmark. And then I met this guy, like a Hungarian guy who lived in the Netherlands. Then we decided to leave when the weather was good, so we did sail out from Holland. And then he got seasick because he was like really pissed off about sailing. But I decided, okay, I can make it alone, it's cool. And the morning I arrived here in J.A.K. That was one of my most beautiful places on the trip. It's only farms there, there's no concrete road, just some lovely place, some nice hills, some restaurants, and beautiful island. I saw the forecast, the wind was supposed to pick up, so I chose this bay. And then we met with my friend, and we met the girl to join me. Crew members from Cristobal, we met in Amsterdam. He's from Chile.
Oh, from Amsterdam.
And
France.
You're from France. What's your name?
Lou.
Lou. I was a bit worried, like how we could make it, but then the wind changed, and then actually we met with my friend Morgan, and we decided to leave. We lost one sail on the first night. But then we arrived to Vigo and my crew decided to leave. So I stayed there in Vigo. I met a cool guy who helped me to prepare the boat. And then a friend of me contacted me, and I also met a Hungarian girl and a German guy, and they also wanted to join me to a boat trip. So I told them like, okay, if you pay like this, you can come with me. The guys, the Hungarian girl, and was seasick. I was alone again, and then I decided to move to Porto. It was really, really tough. I knew my mom was gonna come. My mom never did sailing before, never took a flight before, so it was like super new experience to her. She loved it. After when my mom left, a guy just came from Hungary. Sailing in Portugal with my crew member, he's Tibor. He paid me each day 15 euro, and he also paid for the port, for the food, everything, so I didn't have to think about anything. I came with this boat from Norway. A friend of mine gave it to me. Goggen, Ingve Goggen, thank you. And life is an adventure, so I'm keep going and keep moving. You like it?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm trying to sell my old controllers, and I'm gonna buy a new one what's gonna work together with the big solar. Maybe someone's gonna buy today, I hope so. Tell me, brother, how do you feel after my exercise routine? 'Cause all of me loves all of you. 130 euro. A new solar charge controller. Hopefully it can work. Such a lovely day. I finished the project with a solar charge controller. I will show you how it looks like. And yeah, I'm happy. A lot of things going on the boat. A lot of projects are done. Only things what is have to be done is the sail, what need to fix. And then life is going on. Nico is having fun on his dinghy. Look at him. Woo! Bye bye. Yeah guys, it's charging and the battery is fully charged. Woo! 100%. Super nice. And actually I'm done with a lot of job here in the back. As you see, oh, it's pretty light here. Because I just built some windows here. So look at my new lovely windows, and this is the autopilot connection. And that's why we have light inside, because I put some plastic here and boom, so nice. Yeah guys, I'm washing out my lovely carpet. I hit the jackpot in the dumpster. Look at this shit. So many eggs, so many apples and onions and bread and more onions and spinach and orange and a little sauce as well, and still get some free food. Life is not so bad. Hey guys, good morning. I just woke up. I feel a little bit like yeah. guys, it's a new day. They are training or racing or I don't know what's going on here. Some sailing boat stuff. So funny. Today we're gonna go surf.
Hello world!
In this time I'm not gonna carry the GoPro because I'm afraid this big wave's gonna smash it again and then I don't have camera. Instead it's gonna be like music, African and old ancient Canarian style. Sanding?
Yeah. You sand it?
Asia just showed me his boat and his system for GPS and AIS and the Bator. It's very interesting. He built by himself everything.
Here you have some food.
Rice, pasta, so many things. Thank you very much. I think people helping me because people see like, okay, this guy has a purpose, this guy has something, what is a passion, and I want to be a part of it, so that's why I think they help it. Here I am again, in front of the shopping center. My phone doesn't want to start after a deep dive in the marina, so I decided to get a new phone in cheap price. Wow, such an adventure, guys. Yo guys! Today I'm gonna have a guest, Richie, who works here in the marina and he's Hungarian, and his friend Tamás is the guy who's paid to fix my sails, so generous guys. They were so nice to bring some food for me. Some rice, Nutella. Thank you guys. Tell me your name.
My name is Richie.
Richie?
My name is Anita.
Anita. And you work here?
Yeah, I'm working as a coach,
Yeah.
sailing coach. We are working in another club. That's all with the Sailing Academy Gran Canaria.
Yeah.
And that's all.
Yeah guys, I just bought a new phone, Samsung Galaxy S7 for 150 bucks. Yo guys, a new waterproof phone. Finally. Guys, I hope you like this episode. Please share it, like it, follow our channel on YouTube, Word People. That's how you can give me support. Yeah guys, keep follow, keep enjoy.